Good morning, welcome back to today's tutorial about how do you trade forex. Actually, in this section you will learn how to trade the market and how to trade the forex for making money. So please be attentive. Today's topic is very important. Let's start. In the forex market, you buy or sell currency for making some money, for making profit. So placing a trade in the forex exchange, for an exchange market, it is simple. The mechanics of a trade are very similar to those found in the other market like the stock markets. So if you have any experience in trading, you should be able to pick it pretty quickly. The objective of forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that price will change. More specifically, that the currency you bought will increase in value compared to the one you sold. How to read a forex quote? Currencies are always quoted in pairs such as GBP/USD or USD/JPY. The reason they are quoted in pairs is because every foreign exchange transaction you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. Long and short. What is long, what is short? In these terms is very familiar in forex market, so you should definitely know it. First, you should determine whether you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, which actually means buy the base currency and sell the quote currency. You want to base currency to raise in value and then you would sell it back at higher price. In order to talk, this is called going long or taking a long position. Just remember, long buy. If you want to sell, which actually means sell the base currency and buy the quote currency, you want to base currency to fall in value, then you should buy back at a lower price. This is called going short. To taking short position, just remember, short means sell. The bid, ask and the spread. What is bid, ask, price, and what is spread? All forex quotes are quoted with two prices, the bid and ask. For the most part, the bid is lower than the ask price. Remember it, the bid price is lower than the ask price. The bid is the price at which your broker is willing to buy the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the bid is the best available price at which you traded will sell to the markets. The ask is the price at which your broker will sell the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the ask price is the best available price at which you will buy from the market. Another word for ask is the offer price. The difference between the bid and ask price is popularly known as the spread money. Here's an illustration that puts together everyone. Base currency, the euro USD pair. The first part is the base currency and the second part USD is the quote currency. This means country currency. The bid price and ask price, the difference is 2 pips. That's called spread. Know when to buy or sell currency pair. In the following example, we are going to use fundamental analysis to help us decide whether to buy or sell a specific currency pairs. If you always fell asleep during your economic class or just flat or skipped economic class, don't worry. We'll cover fundamental analysis in the later lesson, but right now try to pretend you know what's going on. Euro versus USD. In the example, the euro is the base currency and thus the basis for the buy sell. If you believe that the US economy will continue to weaken, which is bad for the US dollar, you would execute a buy euro USD order. By doing so, you have bought euros in the expectation that they will rise versus the US dollar. If you believe that the US economy is strong and the euro will weaken against the US dollar, you would execute a sell euro USD order. By doing so, you have sold euros in the expectation that they will fall versus the US dollar. Margin trading, it's the very important topics of forex trading. Margin trading, in first, everyone will take the advantage of margin trading. When you go to the grocery store and want to buy an egg, you can't just buy a single egg. They come in dozen or lots of 12. In forex, it would be just a foolish to buy or sell €1, so they usually comes in lots of 1000 units of currency, micro, 10,000 units, that's called mini, or 100,000 units, that's called standard. Depending on your broker and the type of account you have, more on lots later. But I don't have enough money to buy €10,000. Can I still trade? You can with margin trading. Margin trading is simply the term used for trading with borrowed capital. This is how you are able to open 1250 to or 50,000 positions with as little as $25 or just simple $1,000. You can conduct relatively large transactions very quickly and cheaply with a small amount of initial capital. You can conduct relatively large transactions very quickly and cheaply with a small amount of initial capital. What is Pip in the forex? Here is where we are going to do a little math. You have probably heard of the terms pips and pipettes and lots thrown around, and where you are going to explain that why are and show you how their values are calculated. Takes your time with this information as it is required knowledge for all forex traders. Don't even think about trading until you are comfortable with pip value and calculating profit loss. What is a pipette? Actually, there are brokers that quote currency pairs beyond the standard 4 and 2 decimal places to 5 and 3 decimal places. They are quoting fractional pips, also called pipettes. For instance, if GBUSD moves from 1.30542 to 1.30543, that 0.00001 USD move higher in one pipette. That's the pipette. Yes, you got right. What is a lot in forex? In the past, spot forex was only traded in specific amount called lots, or basically the number of currency unit you will buy or sell. The standard size for a lot is 100,000 unit of currency, and now there are also a mini, micro and nano lot sizes that are 10,000, 1,000 and also 100 units respectively. The standard lot is called 100,000, the mini lot size is called 10,000 units, micro lot called 1,000 units, and finally nano lot calls 100 units. If you have any question, guys, please make comments below and I will explain later. If needed, I will make another video for you for your requirement. Okay, so thanks a lot for sharing this video with your friends, and subscribe this channel to stay with us and getting notification for our new exclusive video. Thank you. Bye bye.